cartoon shit.
There we go.
And
we start off right here. Choke out.
Face to start the episode.
I'm pretty sure this is what you
Snake
in the deep future.
Okay.
He's having a play. Just one.
Or the girl
Gang.
R.I.P.
Jadi gue sedih lagi lah.
I don't act do his eyes when we go back in time. Okay.
But because the snake
Woke up, Tony.
I forget what this was.
And Shorty just kablooed.
Come on, take a puff.
Vanished.
Temptation got you. Come on.
But because the snake ate this one, the girl is able to bring back this devil.
Oh, man.
Might get someone underage smoke.
Oh, now,
Of course.
what is her deal with not knowing who's a minor, man? Jesus Christ.
Okay.
I don't even actually
What are you
know.
gonna do now? Gotta hurry up, the noodle's gonna get soggy.
God.
But it's coming from this
Give me
flashback.
that.
Nope, too late now.
At least we see
Oh,
that
never
she
mind.
is
But at least she
the-
cares.
Look this one for you.
She's responsible.
I feel like people that are more the delinquent type just wouldn't even care if he was underage.
Okay.
Develop an addiction.
It's a good thing she wasn't
It's
drunk. She was drunk, then she was
Very
Oh wait.
Oh!
What
Wait,
God.
what happened? Did he like black out?
Oh,
How'd he do that?
okay. I thought
Who did that? I mean, it was him. Like,
Imagine she became
Ow.
the
ripped that devil apart.
Oh, sebenarnya
I guess those are the hands he cut.
Why'd you let him go?
Karena pikiran Himeno.
Why she got a fist?
Ele viu o
Oh, wait a
Is it a
minute.
cigarette?
Having its hand.
Is that maybe the remnant?
What's
of,
going
like,
on?
I don't know, some
Yeah,
remnant of,
right
you know, like, what she got? Is it a cigarette? Oh my God, it's a cigarette.
What? Wait,
It's the
hold
cigarette.
on.
It's the cigarette. It's the cigarette. It's the
Okay.
cigarette.
Oh wow.
It's the
Like
cigarette.
the first scene.
Holy crap!
What a G. Okay, that's a G right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's the G. I don't know if this is a trick or not. But
Devil remembers.
That's the G right there. That's take that pug. Oh. Easy
Easy revenge.
Holy crap!
What that mean though? What that mean though? What does that mean?
Easy revenge.
So does this mean that
It-
the devil's on our
And who
side
gave
now?
that? Was that like the? Is
not
that like
gonna
the
keep
ghost devil
fighting us?
giving that to him, or is that a
I
figment
don't think this
of
demon is even gonna say.
of Himeno?
Because
Ghost
I
devil,
also
that's
use
what
his
it
fear to
is.
see.
Oh.
Right.
Oh,
I always forget
yeah.
because
If
most
he doesn't
devils,
fear it,
it's pretty obvious.
There's nothing she can see.
Look at that.
Or he can see. I don't know his gender.
Ghost
Just live his
devils.
own life, you know.
But it should be able to feel that, right?
Ooh, look at that.
Like sure, you
Nice.
know, he eyes, but
My boy Aki, riding his noble steed into battle.
Damn.
Oh,
oh, that's such a cool.
Don't do this to me.
I'll be with you for
Spicy.
2 years, bro.
That is an amazing effect.
Long
If that.
Yeah.
You know what? I think the ghost devil let him do that.
Oh yeah, she afraid now.
If you've ever seen Movie Sunshine,
Now the ghost devil isn't actually dead now, is
also
it?
did the same thing. They splice images
Oh
in a
yeah,
single frame.
for sure.
Amazing.
Now you.
Gua nggak prediksi mana ceritanya.
For a second, I thought
Ghost
this
devil
was an
got messed
hour-long
up pretty
episode.
badly before and it
Come on
came
now.
back.
Let's get straight
Actually,
to it.
my
Let's get straight to it.
I never thought about it until
Prediksi
now.
soalnya kan di mana ya?
Because we also saw
A lot of people
the...
It feels so
Was it the fox
obscene.
devil
Edgy.
that Aki had before?
Mereka
I think the
Dia
That
dah-
devil got
Yorioku.
messed up really badly too.
shows quite a
But
while.
I think the katana devil.
Na, 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 na,
We haven't
na,
seen
na,
him
na,
in
na.
I
since.
know what's going
But
on later on.
And then power
is the fox
Gura
devil
yo
still
gore mo
alive?
gore dai baba.
Or
power makes her
Narega,
quite
narega,
is the reason
anta
why
mano, narega,
Aki
bumbi buka
got
rumah.
this new devil in the first
Berapa
place?
teman
Because that
Cuma-
one is no more.
Episode terakhir.
I feel like
Part ini juga
no,
kenapa
this is so interesting. I've always
Kapan
thought
lagi?
of
Season 2
like
kapan?
devils that we
Besok
bump
main
into
coba.
in the
Kenapa nggak
wild.
kayak JJK 2 core? Sekor
Once
doang.
we cut those down, they're done for. But I've always imagined the devils that we
Lumis
make
Kristen
contracts with.
bisa
Those ones,
Kozen.
they're just kind of like,
I think then
I gotta say that they're endowing us with a bit of their power, but not actually with their full
Semoga
strength.
ini episode
Fox Devil
I
got
think it's
destroyed. I just imagine that that was a
second season
fragment
will
of the
I think
actual
easily live
Fox
up to
Devil.
that expectations.
The real one was
Sudah.
still
Look
fine.
at it.
Yeah.
First 7.5 episodes.
Komen dong di bawah menurut kalian sejauh ini komen
453, 453.
anime terbaik
Two.
Winter atau
got the
apa?
moves.
Atau ada anime lain yang
Maybe we
lebih
might never
baik
see the
dari
graphic.
pendapat
Alright,
kalian?
snake bitch. Let's do
Be
this.
good.
So is the body gonna dissolve or like, you know?
Now,
Is it just gonna
no one
There is
else.
no announcer.
be everywhere?
Those
All the
stats.
way.
Anything I've
Oh,
ever
next
had,
target.
there's a lot of
Like
people in the
He-Man
comments.
Oh, your next
Yeah,
one.
no,
Okay.
that series doesn't have it.
Don't kill her.
Jangan berhenti ya.
Wait, who's that?
Who's behind her?
Yeah, a lot of people aren't saying
Cool.
that.
Cool.
Unfortunate, but
Oh, there's Coleman.
I mean, we all know it's simply from
She's literally the embodiment
Damn,
of
Coleman, he
teleport
was
behind
so
her with
silent.
the
I
kunai.
don't like
But
it.
you know, Coleman's so mad.
They might
Like you said
get
with
that
public
story
safety,
broken.
she needs the bands, right?
Nothing but bad news for Chainsaw
The funds.
Get revenge from Himeno?
Nothing but bad news for the series.
Don't
It's
start
the
coming up
season.
saying no.
Tis the season.
Them bands, that money.
I mean,
that
Christmas is
cash.
already over, but I guess what, New Year's.
We're gonna get Katana versus Chainsaw.
Because Japan doesn't
Whose arm is that?
From the looks of it,
Dia mau
from like articles after
Oh,
Oh, I want to see more
Real
video
stats.
Is it good?
Violence Fiend, Angel Fiend. Alright.
I mean, you know shit's whack when you've got reincarnated as a
Then
sword.
again,
I love
this is
I'm
what
fine
it
enough
does.
with Spider
Kind of
Man.
energizes.
Like,
Right.
wow.
And then Beam.
Well, no, I
mean,
mean,
you
I
might as
saw
well
it
eat
coming,
'em.
but I didn't told you that reincarnated as a sword.
So it is the sword left. Unless that's a mistranslation.
Go on.
It's fine.
Rev it up.
It's
We
fine.
don't know what's
I
coming right now.
He doesn't look like a katana.
I feel like they're going to.
Apparently, they don't like the voice cast.
She's
You
gonna
know
make the
that's not
loudest
power
sound ever.
They don't like Denji or Makima's voices. They
There
don't
we go.
like
Right now, she sounds
Go
good.
ahead,
I do that.
Phineas.
Grand
Single brain cell.
and they don't like how it looks too much like power. They want it to be more.
After you, hey, as long as you go first.
Oh, okay.
Very nice. He didn't even follow her.
And also, did we
Go
ever
up
find
the
out the
elevator.
source of these
I'm
zombies
proud of you.
Hey, you know what? I put my own. They can't switch to
that we fought on
feel so
episode 1?
Genji, where you at?
Watch this.
And I think the source of these zombies were a gift from his grandfather.
I'm glad she doesn't see that Genji's not right behind her. Told her her confidence is like,
They given to him by the
Dangerous
devil in the
then.
first
They
episode.
wanted this series to be more
what's the
anime.
move? What's the power
Naik
play?
ke lantai berapa?
And apparently, from what I've read, some comments in Japan say that
Okay, I'm just making sure the elevator didn't get stuck.
13.
the record doesn't understand what happened in Chainsaw.
Oh, I like how he's
Already ready.
Don't do it.
You know I'm gonna read this shit
Those are all the
regardless.
complaints I've read.
Sunburn, man.
What? Let's negotiate. Let's negotiate.
Cash. There's no talking.
How can there be a
wanted to
proper
chat, why you
chat?
have a
You
gun?
know
If you shoot in the head, you
points in their guns.
Oh,
on Denji.
menyerah.
No, don't
There's
trust
no
it.
talking.
No, no,
Smell that,
no,
huh?
no, 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 no,
It
no, no.
smells like bullshit.
There's no talking. Pull that shit.
Dingy.
Okay, first off, his granddad tried to kill him.
Anything.
He doesn't
Right.
have to jump for shit. That's
Wait, wait, wait.
self-defense.
Yeah, okay.
Right? That
Right.
seems fair.
So now the pieces are falling into place.
Oh, does he really not?
Why would I
believe
try to lie in a situation like this?
Pull it, Denji.
Does he really
Okay,
think
even
that
if it is
Denji
true.
just killed him?
These
What?
No.
No.
I mean, there
Yeah,
was
yeah,
no
nope, not at all.
Straight up answer. With his whole chest.
Our boy has just cause.
Right.
Sampai
Hey,
yang mana anymore? It's over.
The katana devil. I wonder what it looked like.
That's just
You
you, man.
accidentally kill zombies.
That's how I see it. Once someone becomes a zombie, then they're not even the same.
I mean, your whole heart turned into a devil.
He's talking to a man who doesn't give a fuck.
No, that's not happening.
Nah, we got goals in mind,
You want that
pal.
Makima. You want that Makima. Don't, Denji, stop. Don't.
Like, man,
We already
No,
know.
okay, there we go.
Exactly.
Simple like that. Rip that shit.
Rep it.
There's no way you're gonna
Let's
get
go.
a
Rip it.
Rita something stupid like that.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I
That
was on the
looks
fence.
a lot worse. Denji's is a lot
This guy.
I mean,
Hey.
we all know that.
His hand is like the sheath. He just
Is he strong? Like,
That
how
was
strong is
Sandron. They
he?
really
How much stronger is he?
You don't go that
You
often
see it
where
in
they
the
hand
opening.
draw.
That was hard.
Denji kind of smashes
Damn,
Oh,
man.
that was nice.
skyscraper.
Damn, that's a hell of a
That boy got
kick.
his durability up.
Yeah, I want to see some of the training that.
Come on, Denji, show off that
Put it
training.
out.
Show off
Here
that
we go with
training.
round two.
It's probably a lot.
Okay. He's deflecting, dodging, doing what he
Personal
needs to do.
teleport behind you stuff.
Okay.
Just face to face.
That boy is nimble.
Ngilang sa
Wait, shifty.
Oh, nggak ada. Siapa Denji? Lu mesti.
Like, there's so much connection.
Spider-Man 2 reference. Doc Ock versus Spidey. Is that what we're getting here? Doc Ock versus Spidey. It is already confirmed. I don't care what they do after this. Doc Ock versus Spidey.
Looks like a scene from
Fighting on a train here.
Sharper than before.
What are you
Wait, hold on.
Talk aja.
Stop knocking on it.
I love how there's so many
Right.
similarities but differences between
Right.
them. Like he's got these weird, like
we all want
flat
You know?
teeth, and
I
Denji's
was
got
gonna say
the cool
boobs, but
sharp
I think that's a
ones.
close.
Anak bawal
Now
anak.
I get a block.
Hockey power.
Power
But
sama.
overall, I'm happy.
Oh, I don't think I can do that.
That's what's up.
He has a right to be kinda
That's
angry.
what's up.
Yes, sir.
Yep, that's why we're here.
You won't beat me.
Oh, man,
to get back at
only
you.
tries.
For what you did to our
I
friend.
mean, once it
Oh, here he goes.
Imagina você lá dentro do trem só ouvindo.
So, you know, that type of little detail
There we
that-
go. Come on, Denji. Let's go.
There's even beer in the movie, too.
The way they're fighting, you'd think.
Let's go.
Right, so it is like
Okay. That was a bit of a blow. We got this, though. We got this. Come on,
They didn't
Denji.
have to have the detail like when they're.
Come on, dude.
Oh, where'd he go? Oh!
They didn't have to.
Oh my God, dude, that was good. Everything, everyone on this train is gonna die.
Oh,
What?
this.
We were making an emergency
Thinking
stop.
that sound was when they were
You
still
gotta
on
have
the
something up your
roof.
sleeve,
Oh,
bro.
they hit the
You
brakes.
don't see characters react.
Oh,
Oh, that was tough.
No,
That's so
I
cool.
enjoy Bleach.
Damn.
Oh my
But in Bleach, whenever
god.
there's epic action, you don't
When it comes to just
What are
raw
you
strength,
doing?
there's that
Oh,
spiky
move.
Denji.
Oh no, that move! No,
Tá rápido, não!
Oh, she's traumatized. She needs therapy.
Protect her,
And I love how they release those
Oh, the train actually
think
stopped.
so.
Okay.
Like, what are you doing? I'm laying down now.
He reacts a lot more.
His arm.
He going
Hey,
again.
pop that bad
Oh
boy.
my God,
Ah,
he
ah.
spammed. He literally
But he has
spammed.
at this
Cool,
point.
I'm not gonna lie.
Can you try something?
Ban that move.
He
What's
said,
that,
can we
another arm?
ban
Been
that
a dude, and you
move?
probably
Or did
Well,
Denji
it didn't
get?
work this time.
Nope.
Oh, yes, it
It was
did.
another arm. It was another
Oh,
arm.
he's only got the head chainsaw.
Hey, yo, stop spinning.
Mano, que porra é essa
If
que
you
ele
got
faz?
cut in half,
Just
it's
scratch.
fine. So
If you get that
I know
reference,
you
that's
got
fine.
something. I know you got something, man.
You know the hell your granddad put him through?
You're ever gonna get a
The literal hell?
Nah.
I want to hear Bach. OST?
Yeah, if he's gonna keep
His
fighting,
head.
he's gonna take the head
Did he
left.
talk about his
Black
head?
Knight from the
That's how Denji is.
Yeah! I'm trying so bad, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, okay.
Is he finally
Wait, what am I talking about?
You
another
take
arm.
off
his head.
Now.
What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Who
Who got
lost this
cut?
one?
His
Who lost
engine
this one?
stopped.
Did my grandpa teach?
Te ensinou. Tem hora que
Oh no, the actual. Oh
my
my damn.
God.
Okay.
Beg for his forgiveness, and I'll make it quick.
well,
I ain't begging for shit.
You know.
They might have to ban.
So
how is he gonna get out of this?
I swear, do something with Pochita or something. I don't care, man.
What's left?
For my head.
Right.
Thanks, Boda.
Wait a minute.
Oh, okay. What were you cooking over there,
Wait, he.
Denji?
Oh!
The typical samurai stuff.
Synergy.
This dude was over here talking like nothing happened.
It's in his leg. Let's go!
Holy crap.
Down the middle like a subway stand. Yo, spam the subway emojis, man.
It was that easy. Leg
Oh,
swords?
man.
Come on now.
That was so
Come on now.
he's dead, right?
I think that's
He has to
impressive.
be. He has to be. There's no coming back.
Is it revenge?
Okay.
What the hell did he
I
do?
apologize.
Yeah,
It's never
Put it
mind.
together. Oh, this boy is about to go through the most torturous torture ever. Is that Makima?
It kind of makes you
Oh no,
wonder.
that's Denji.
Where else do chainsaws come from, Denji? You know what? I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
Right.
That's another story for another time.
Ah,
Right.
What? Nice.
Down to a wall, bonding like that.
Hey, we kept you alive, pal.
Yeah.
Waduh.
That's kind of fact.
Loser.
Do what you did to Aki.
I don't
at
think the
this
cops
point.
can really
chat.
hold
Right.
you down.
Ele tirou, tipo, as katanas que ele tinha no braço.
Not really satisfied
keep on
yet. Oh,
fighting?
you finna go through the torture, so
That's fucking
torture.
dope.
Oh,
There
does
we
he?
go.
Talk to him.
It's all your fault. Okay, okay.
Stupid ass.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with
Actually, yeah,
that.
that would be a thing.
Right.
Faster.
Let's do that.
I mean, him being
What are we gonna
in jail
do?
for the rest of the night would be a good punishment.
I mean, dude.
He's not
we
going
don't
to
What are
care
we
about
doing,
that.
Digi? What's the plan? What's the plot?
There's layers to this.
A tournament?
A
What?
contest.
What? Tournament?
Aki.
Oh, Aki's here too.
Tortured.
Mate, power shouldn't be far behind.
Okay, Aki's here as well.
Are they actually gonna keep him alive?
Right.
Because I mean, they
Requesting
told
backup.
they wouldn't snake. No, they wouldn't kill Okane.
Gonna be the best contest ever.
Yeah, what is he? He's not serious, is he?
But you know, we kind of
This
did
guy
see
is
that a few episodes ago.
See, he shot right. I figured we get to take shots.
Oh, he's actually gonna do it!
Ah, no,
What?
sí. No, a ver.
We take turns kicking him
¿Quién
in the...
mató en realidad a Jiménez?
Oh my god, bringing it back to episode.
Oh my god, they're actually gonna do it! They're actually gonna do it! I didn't know! Yeah, we kind of...
Come on,
Al
bro.
demonio no podemos matar. Bueno, sí,
Yo, Aki, do it.
Please say you are.
Or is he just gonna sit there and watch?
You
I
better,
wonder
man.
if Aki would actually.
I thought it was a kiss. Right?
Are you gonna kick him
still
in the
did.
nuts or not?
Finally got him.
That's not torture, man. I mean,
Yourself.
it is, but
Man,
it's literally just kicking him.
Benji, go kick this man in the balls,
You know
okay?
what?
Sometimes you will
She may not have wanted this, but I feel like if she were like in the heavens looking down on
I
the
would've put a
situation
steel
right
toe on
now,
my shit.
I think she would find it
Kick
kind
them
of
shit in the
funny.
nuts.
At least for
Right
maybe
here,
the first
this is it.
couple
Easy revenge.
kicks.
Easy revenge.
After
Come
that,
on,
it
man.
might be a little bit
Nuts.
over.
Go for it.
Nice
Since they
set.
just
So we really not kicking him in the balls?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
It's right there. Oh, it looks like he might change his mind.
Man.
recoger los pezones.
Oh.
O sea,
There we go. There we go. All you needed to do is read that message.
There you go.
yeah,
Oh
for
my
sure.
god, the dreaded step from this man's perspective.
up,
Wait,
Oh, nah. The content coming in top soon.
You messed with the wrong one.
yo, you know they went to
Y'all don't
town.
understand.
I'm actually.
You know they went to town on him. Is he even standing? Let me see if he's in this lineup. Is he even standing?
No ifs, ands, or
Okay,
buts,
maybe he's
just
not here.
balls.
Maybe they're still at the train tracks.
This
guy has to
so
be
far, I feel like
This
they're
guy's
actually
growing.
wrapping up the episode.
que es un
Quite
ninja.
nice.
That was an angel.
Que le arregles un brazo va a estar bien, así que...
Let's see.
I'm glad they know that
I don't know.
was
Let's
the
see,
one I
let's
wanted to
see.
see the most
Alright, we
out of
got
all
the
of them.
angel devil here.
Oh, look at them like little kids! Oh man, they're having a It's a requiem.
The back is crazy.
Oh man, that's really
balls hit from the back.
That's funny.
So brutal.
Let's get by force.
That is some satanic shit. Private sector. Put the gun devil and distributed guns to the Yakuza.
She.
Okay.
Right.
Sawatari.
Who the hell knows?
Like no that's real.
Ooh!
Oh!
Wait,
what
that was the
Was
snake devil
was
that
the
did
snake?
that. Did she kill herself?
Damn.
Because of her contract with the government.
Triggered automatically.
Damn, they were that
Jesus.
close. Flesh from.
It seems like a
Ooh,
lot.
that's a
Okay.
lot. That's a lot.
Okay.
Give it a bug.
What they exactly wanted, but hey, that's progress.
6.4.
6.4.
Time.
Muito fragmento.
Oh, we're gearing up for that.
Oh, yes.
So we know what we're
We
doing
got a big
next
enough
season.
chunk.
Where's it at?
Heading straight towards
She says America.
12th and final.
Yo, I love seeing these three together. I love seeing these three together, man. They're just perfect.
We're gonna sit back and watch it for a little bit.
This is so cool.
Oh, man,
I'm pretty sure all the
On a day in
know
the
what
life
we're
of
going
playground.
on.
Power.
As far as I know, Chainsaw Man isn't coming
Oh,
back.
man, they are
fucking son.
Because
Hopefully, a couple packs for
Smile. Okay. Okay. A smile.
Say we're coming next year because we are also in 2023.
because
That did, yeah,
Chainsaw Man, but I'm still
because
gonna
Nick
say
King,
it.
you earned it.
this dynamic.
But still, we are stacked next year.
Just having fun. Oh man, this is nice, man. This is really nice. I like seeing it. It's not a mess, man. It's not a mess. They're actually enjoying each other's
Hear the
company.
vocals by themselves.
Oh man.
But I was saying, like, we haven't really seen their dynamic living together outside of
Other
when
than
they
that,
first moved in.
I wonder if they really want the. I wonder if
So
they're
it looks like
they're gonna fuse
gotten
hearts.
along much
I have a few. I have a
much
feeling they're gonna
better
try and
since
fuse like each other's hearts. A chainsaw and a gun. A chainsaw and a gun. You know,
Yeah, right,
it just
with
sounds
Meowie.
crazy as
She's
shit.
found a new friend. Where is that meowing?
Five.
Okay, there's gonna.
Oh, we also get it. We also get it.
Karena mana tuh makin gue bilang kan?
Yeah, I was worried for a second that might be the last time to be.
Let's see what everyone's up to.
Somebody passed out.
Oh, okay, we're picking up.
There's a box over there that's kind of like, you know, animated that looks like it's gonna move. So I wonder what's on the box.
Chilling in the, I guess we call that the kitchen. No, it's more like the dining room.
I'm guessing it's the ashtray. Are you gonna quit smoking? Let's talk about
Is he
it.
gonna smoke? Is he gonna smoke?
Dia ngerokok yang itu.
About to get
Ele vai
a quick
fumar um
smoke.
cigarro, mano.
Oh, you smoking the last cig?
Tadi ngomong sama feature Devil.
Here we go.
Nah, he got 450. Never mind.
Cigarro? É, o cigarro.
Easy
Easy
revenge.
revenge.
I imagine that shit is like gas and it's not a cig.
Temporada foi mais.
Almost like this thing.
Or if you rolling up some good shit, get high as hell.
Cry? No, no, no. He's not gonna cry.
I wonder why she. Well,
But he got his revenge by mouse.
Imagine.
Fuck it, that shit.
I was gonna say, it can't be no gas. Just a regular cig, you know? Regular shit.
And that's one revenge down. Next one.
Good
is on
smoke
the wall,
outside.
but That's probably gonna be more than
Suara
one.
kotanya tuh kedengeran banget.
Revenge than easy revenge.
I'm just saying to make sure.
it seems like we still have quite a bit left to the episode, though. So I wonder what they're gonna do with this time.
Sucks.
I'm
Is it
just
gonna
saying
form
to
into
make sure.
Himeno? Okay.
Alright,
I thought it was gonna
phones
be
in
some
the clouds.
cheese like
Okay,
that. The
okay,
smoke
okay,
was
just make
gonna
sure we
form
gotta
into
analyze
Himeno.
everything. We gotta
Is it
analyze
over?
everything.
No, wait, right? Okay, okay.
thought for a second
The
something
screen
bad
went to
happened.
black and I got worried for a
Suffering
second.
the health problems.
Mamba did a really good job.
Knocked out
So
inside
power.
the- Yeah, okay.
Mabok
so-
di kamar.
Freaking paranoid.
So just
Dilihat.
In a good way. Shows how much you care about the game.
it's almost somber.
Is that it? I'm pretty sure that was it. Hold up. Never mind.
Oh, this is from the intro. This is from the teaser.
Oh wait, isn't
we
this
seen
how the
this
season
before?
started?
This whole.
This is how the
Wait,
season
alleyway?
started, I think, right? He was heavy breathing. He turned the corner. Breathing got more heavy. So are we gonna get a reveal?
Or
as
was
to,
there a
like,
door?
Oh no,
Okay.
this is from the very first
Yeah.
beginning of the first episode. I think.
Ini kamar Denji nih. Gua ada
It's been a
beberapa
while since
pernah.
I rewatched
I might
the
just be
first
be like Pochita.
making shit up, but I feel like this was in the first or second
Don't
episode.
get me started. Right, this is where we start.
It's on the other side of this
I'm
door.
so
As a
sorry
kid,
for
maybe this is when he first
Not
found the
like
house.
yeah, not like
A
this.
young Denji from behind.
I have this dream all the
Dream
time.
all the time, though.
Tô vendo sonho?
I always have it.
Jadi ini
I always
bukan
have
kamar
it
dia
and then I
sebelumnya.
always forget it.
That's Pochita.
Pochita.
Yep. Oh! Come on, Pochita.
Sorry, we said that exact same time.
If only you can actually encounter him
Don't open the door.
in real time.
Don't
You
open.
can't open that door.
Oh, then.
Why
I
not?
have no idea what that was.
Oh, okay, I thought for a second
What does that mean? What does that mean? What is he
So
implying?
many bits, it's like,
What's in it?
Is it truly now the end of the season?
Como assim? Jamais essa...
Just the sound of
Yo, I thought we
cicadas.
reached the ending like 10 times already.
What is this door he can't open? Please don't. Is he about to go to the actual place? Oh, never mind.
No.
My bad.
Higurashi.
I got excited. My
We
bad.
know what that means.
No, that's not. That's not.
Bad news. That's what that
There's
is.
a country
I
mouse
know
and a
her.
city
This
mouse.
is someone else.
The country mouse and the
Which
country
would you
mouse.
rather
Is
be?
that what she said?
Oh, you know who that is.
Okay, someone new. Okay. Wow. What in a...